Have you ever wondered if your Tesla's dashcam is listening to your conversations? It's a question that's been circulating the internet for years, sparking debates and concerns among Tesla owners. Today, we're diving deep into this topic to uncover the truth. Tesla's dashcams are renowned for their high-quality video footage, capturing accidents, road incidents, and even wildlife encounters. But what about audio? Does this seemingly all-seeing eye also hear all? One of the most persistent rumors is that Tesla dashcams are secretly recording audio, potentially compromising privacy. This belief is often fueled by concerns about data collection and the potential for misuse of personal information. To address these concerns, let's delve into the official stance from Tesla. According to the company, their dashcams are designed to record video only. There's no built-in audio recording functionality. Why is Tesla so adamant about audio recording? The answer lies in the technical limitations and privacy concerns. Audio recording would require additional hardware and software, potentially compromising the dashcam's performance and introducing new vulnerabilities. Moreover, audio recording raises significant privacy issues. Imagine the potential for unauthorized access to your conversations, which could be used for malicious purposes. Tesla has clearly prioritized privacy in its dashcam design. While the general rule is that Tesla dashcams don't record audio, there are a few exceptions to consider. Emergency calls. If you activate the emergency call feature, the dashcam may record a brief audio clip to provide additional context for emergency responders. Third-party apps. Some third-party apps may offer audio recording capabilities, but these are not integrated into the dashcam's core functionality. It's important to address some common misconceptions about Tesla dashcam audio. One is the belief that the dashcam's microphones are always active, even if the camera isn't recording. This is not the case. The microphones are only activated when the camera is recording or when specific features, like emergency calls, are in use. Tesla's dashcam design also complies with relevant data privacy regulations. These regulations often impose restrictions on audio recording and require clear disclosure to users. So, to answer the question, does Tesla dashcam record audio? The answer is generally no. While there are a few exceptions, Tesla's dashcams are primarily designed to capture video footage, prioritizing privacy and regulatory compliance. If you're still concerned about privacy or have further questions, it's always a good idea to consult Tesla's official documentation or reach out to their customer support. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.